here's a good one. So again, you could either whack them over the head behind the eyes right here with a stick, like, you know, the handle of a hammer or something, or with a walleye, you could put your thumb on the top end and break their neck backwards. I'm gonna do that off screen. He's dead. So what we're gonna do next, lift their dorsal fins, wash our hands because they're a little slimy. Lift their fins, and we're gonna cut down towards the spine underneath their fins. And then we're gonna turn the knife sideways. This first cut has some resistance because we got to go through the ribs, so it's gonna feel like it's click, 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 click. And then once we're through, keep your knife blade down along the spine, right along to the tail. I don't take it off. Flip it over. I'll show you why in a second. Cut through, turn your knife, cut through those ribs. Keep your knife angled down. Okay, this is why I leave it on. When I flip it over, I have something to hold on to. So I can hold on to the tail here, and then to get the skin off, we're just gonna shimmy the fish out. Keep your knife down, and we get all the meat off. It's so much easier than trying to cut the skin off the fillet. Just shimmy the fish out. And we do the other side. So again, we're just gonna shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy yay, shimmy yo. And like that, we have no meat left on the skin. Now, there's one more thing. Let's separate the belly out here. Let's get rid of that. These are the wings right here. We call them the wings. So we're gonna cut the wings off underneath the jaw, back up. This is all meat. There is a bone in here. So the way you deal with this one, you're gonna fry it up, and then you're just gonna bite it and pull the meat off. Because there is there's a plate bone in there right here. And then where these fins go in, those bones meet. So this is just kind of like a bite and pull. Now, there's cheeks on this guy. This guy's a little bigger. I think we can harvest the cheeks off of this one. So the cheeks are right here. So what you do, I tend to cut myself doing this. You're gonna poke your knife in to that cheek plate. Carve out that cheek if you can. And then you're gonna flip that up. And then, there you go. We got a little fillet of meat off the cheek. It's not much, but it's something. We call that the appetizer. The bigger the fish, the bigger the cheek. This is not a very fat fish, so not a very fat cheek. Try not to cut yourself. And flip it over. And take the cheek. And this is garbage. Okay, we're not done yet. Yes, I have done thousands of these. So now we got the ribs. I'm gonna go down on the other side of the ribs. Gonna cut through the Y bone. And just nice and slow, take your time, peel back the meat, get rid of that, and you're left with this. But there's still one more bone right here. You can feel it with your finger. So we're gonna find it, we're gonna follow it, it ends right there, and we're gonna cut down along the side of it, and then down around the other side of it. Got one little piece of rib right there we missed. Get rid of that. Let's separate this. And there's a little bit of bone right at the top here from the dorsal fin because I cut a little bit too far back, so we got to cut that out. Okay, and you end up with this boneless fillet. The reason we call it a Y bone, you end up with a Y. The Y bone. I was just using a fake bait, just a yellow wiggly worm with a barbless hook. I actually cut the barb off of that, so just a barbless hook. Barbless hook on a wiggly worm. Nothing special here. While I'm rinsing this, I'm giving it a good feel over. I'm just kind of massaging the meat, so to say. Feeling for any bones I might have missed. The areas that there were bones, the Y bone, the ribs, top, bottom. Those are the spots you gotta check. The fat of it, the middle of it is fine. So just give it a quick feel. Give it a rinse so that it's nice and clean. And then just take a plate. Set her down. This is the wing. So the wings, of course, have bones in them. Not worried about that, but we're just gonna give it a rinse. There's our harvest. There is our fish. So fresh caught off the lake. We will just dab it with some paper towel and put it in the fridge, and we'll eat it for supper.